In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Business Profile URL. Whether you're looking to share your profile with customers or simply wish to ensure it's visible online, getting the correct URL is essential for your business's online presence. To start, head over to your web browser and navigate to business.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to look at the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. For those of you signing in for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter the Gmail account that's connected to your business. This step ensures that you're accessing the correct profile. Now, if you've already signed in before using the same browser or device, you'll be automatically directed to your Google Business Dashboard, a handy feature that saves you some time. But there's another way too. You can simply open Google and type in your business name or just My Business, then hit Enter. In the search results, look for your business name and click on View Profile. Doing this will lead you directly back to the dashboard. Now, once you're on your dashboard, there are two ways to get your Google Business Profile URL. Firstly, glance over to the right side of your screen. There, beneath the map of your business area, is a Share button. Give it a click. A pop-up screen will appear, and right below, you'll find the URL of your business profile. Just click on it, and you can easily copy it to your clipboard. Another straightforward method involves heading to the option called Ask for Reviews on your dashboard. When you click on it, you'll find a review link, which also serves as a URL to your business profile. Beside this link, there's a handy copy icon. Just click on that to copy the link. Once you have either of these URLs, it's quite flexible in terms of what you can do next. You can use any of these links in various ways. Share them on your website, embed them in newsletters, or broadcast them through other social media platforms. This makes it easier for people to find and engage with your business. And there you have it, a simple and quick tutorial on how to find and use your Google Business Profile URL to enhance your online visibility. This process not only helps you verify your business's online presence, but also allows you to share your profile with a broader audience, helping to drive engagement and build credibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.